Good morning, guys. I had a little bit of a hectic morning this morning. We misplaced Kevin's police badge, and today was what do you want to be when you grow up day, so you dress up like what you want to be. And we lost our police badge, and he wants to be a policeman today. So yeah, so we had to run to the dollar store and get one. So you know what I mean, we got up early and I shuffled them out the door, and I completely forgot to grab something to eat for myself. So I'm going to eat this bistro box, and I'm going to eat it all because Madison is napping. And obviously I got my black coffee, and yeah, that is breakfast. I will check in a little bit. Hey guys, just having lunch, and I'm having the same lunch as yesterday, and actually the same dinner I had last night. It's just so good. Like when you're in the mood for salads, like you're just in the mood for them. So it's, yeah, the same thing. It's just a salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, shredded carrots. I actually don't have red peppers in it today, but I have some grilled chicken. So 2 green containers and a red container, and I'm going to top it with some balsamic vinegar. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm just checking in with a snack, and I'm having a red container filled with Greek yogurt and a purple container and a half filled with mixed fruit. I just have sliced strawberries, cantaloupe, and kiwi here. And then I'm also having a cup of tea. So this is my snack. I'll check in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm just having dinner, and I'm having some steak that I actually threw under the broiler because it was left over from yesterday, and then I'm having a green container of spring mix with some olive oil and fresh lemon juice on it, and then I'm just having 2 green containers of summer squash and zucchini that I steamed, so kind of a veggie overload, but I'm actually hoping to get a shake in after this as well, so I'll get another red. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, just checking in to say goodnight. I didn't end up having that shake. I got tied up doing laundry and cleaning and stuff like that, so it ended up getting late because it's like 9 o'clock right now, so I definitely don't want to have a shake now. So I am going to have a big glass of water, and I'm just going to head to bed. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good night.